Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing out my natural hair. I don't normally show my natural hair because to me it's like a total mess. I'm still figuring it out and there's so much damage, literally. So what I do when I'm stretching my hair, I take a little piece and I try to detangle it with a little comb. This is not like a big tea comb or anything. I just and then I take the blow dryer and kind of pull my hair a bit while the blow dryer is blowing on it, and I find that this really stretch my hair to somewhat, and I really like it, especially if I'm going to do like a cornrow on my hair, for it to just really easy to manage because I have really thick tight curls, if you can really see that in my videos. Let's talk about my edges. One side of my edges are like literally gone. Don't ask me why, because I'm not a person to be like always catching up my hair, always doing this. From when I was a child, I always have issues with the perimeter of my hair, like my edges going around to my nape. I've always have issue with it just want to disappear. And my mom used to say like, oh, it's like when I was a baby, like I literally did not have any hair going around my perimeter of my head, like the side and everything. Only thing I had was here in the middle, and it has been consistently like that. I have a lot of hair in the middle and less hair around the sides, so hence why my edges like that. Now the other side seem a bit damaged. I don't know if it's because when my hair was processed and stuff, I don't know, but I'm trying to resolve it. It was much worse than that, so I have to really give thanks that it's growing back. I want to try the rice water method to see if a person said like, listen, my girl, it's really gonna work, so I really want to try that. Yeah. So I hope you're enjoying the video. The video is very like easy, simple. 1 2 3, stretch your hair, blow it, and go on your way. So remember, if you're new to this channel and you like to see more of like my natural hair out, I'll definitely do more for you every now and then. Watching, and I just want to show you my end result. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you got any tips on why like your ends are really rough, please let me know. And yeah, so far I am 8 months after my cutting off my relaxed ends, and I'm really excited. It's growing, but it's really giving me a lot of stress. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.